Hello friends, and one of the most common problems in cars, especially little older cars like this 2002 Jetta, is that we develop leaks in the air system. So when that happens, not only we lose fuel efficiency, we also lose performance, and often your engine light will come on. You can buy a hose and replace it, and that can be reasonably inexpensive, or you can make a repair with one of those tapes that are actually designed to fuse on themselves. They can withstand pressures up to 2500 psi, and they're a pretty permanent solution. Here on this car we have this air hose that a lock has actually broken off, so it comes off when we drive the car and creates a leak. So we are going to use this method to repair it and just go around this hose and get rid of that leak. As you can see, the tape is all around the hose, and as you apply it, you tug on it so it stretches, and then it just sticks to itself and makes a permanent bond. So this repair on this end is complete. You can probably hear it, but there is absolutely no sound right now indicating that we don't have any air leaks. The engine is purring like it should be, and everything is back to normal. This tape can be used for many different purposes. I use it for cars, and I use it on my pipes and most every repair that you can imagine. It is a very great tool on your arsenal of tools. Thank you for watching, and I hope that you found this short video useful. If you did find it useful, please like, share and subscribe, and help us post even more videos in the upcoming weeks. I appreciate your support.